Nearly 90% of car owners have a can of WD-40 sitting in their garage right now, and almost all of them only use it for one thing: squeaky hinges. Meanwhile, mechanics and dealership techs have been quietly using it to solve problems that would normally cost you hundreds, sometimes thousands of dollars. One trick on this list alone can save you from a repair bill north of $800. Another one can literally save your life during winter driving. Here are 18 insane WD-40 tricks you 100% need to know. Let's begin now with trick number 18. Trick number 18, freeing a stuck car antenna. If you've got an older car with a manual antenna, you know the frustration. It gets stuck halfway up or won't retract at all. Most people assume the motor is dead, and antenna replacement can run you $100 to $250 depending on the vehicle. But here's what they don't tell you. In most cases, the motor is fine. It's just dirt and old grease jamming the mechanism. Spray WD-40 directly onto the antenna mast, then gently work it up and down by hand about 10 to 15 times. The lubricant breaks down the grime and lets the gears move freely again. Here's the kicker. This same trick works on power windows that get stuck or move slowly, since the same buildup happens on window tracks. But wait, if that hidden feature just blew your mind, this next trick could save you a tow truck call. Trick number 17, unfreezing a stuck emergency brake. Ever parked overnight in freezing temperatures and come back to a parking brake that won't release? It's more common than you think, especially with cable-operated systems. Some drivers panic and call for a tow, which can cost $75 to $150 just for the service call. Here's how it actually works. Moisture gets into the brake cable housing and freezes solid overnight. Spray WD-40 along the cable where it meets the brake lever, focusing on the exposed sections near the wheels if you can't access them. Give it 2 to 3 minutes to penetrate, then try releasing the brake again. Here's what makes this even better. Doing this once a month during winter prevents the freeze-up from happening in the first place. You'd be very much surprised by this next myth. Trick number 16, silencing a squeaky serpentine belt, that high-pitched squeal when you start your car in the morning? Most people think it means the belt needs replacing immediately, which runs $75 to $200 with labor. But here's the deal. Sometimes it's just glazing, a slick buildup on the belt surface from heat and age. Spray a small amount of WD-40 directly onto the belt while the engine is off, then let it sit for about 60 seconds. Visual note, WD-40 being applied to serpentine belt. The solvent cuts through the glaze and restores grip temporarily. Here's the kicker. This is a short-term fix, not a permanent one. But it buys you time to schedule a proper replacement instead of getting stranded. Trust me, this next one will shock you. Trick number 15. Removing stuck floor mats. Rubber floor mats sometimes fuse to your carpet over time, especially in humid climates. Ripping them out can tear your carpet or leave residue behind. Professional interior detailing to fix carpet damage runs $150 to $300. Here's how it actually works. Spray WD-40 around the edges where the mat meets the carpet. Wait 30 seconds, then gently peel the mat back. The lubricant breaks the bond without damaging the fibers underneath. Here's what makes this even better. It also works for removing old carpet padding that's glued down if you're doing a full interior refresh. Wait until you hear about this next hidden gem. Trick number 14, fixing a sticky glove box latch. You reach for your glove box and the latch won't budge, or it opens on its own while you're driving. Both are annoying, and dealerships might quote $80 to $150 to replace the latch mechanism. But here's what they don't tell you. It's almost always dirt and dried lubricant inside the latch spring. Spray WD-40 directly into the latch mechanism and work it open and closed about 10 times. The moving parts free up almost instantly. Here's the kicker. This same fix works for center console latches and armrest compartments that stick shut. Now, for a secret car feature that'll make life easier. Trick number 13, cleaning your engine bay safely. Your engine looks grimy, covered in dust, oil residue, and road grime. Most people avoid touching, worried about damaging sensitive components. Professional engine bay detailing costs $50 to $100. Here's how it actually works. WD-40 can safely clean plastic covers, brackets, and non-electrical surfaces without water getting into places it shouldn't. Spray it onto a cloth first, never directly onto the engine. Then wipe down covers and housings. It cuts through grease instantly and leaves a light protective layer. Here's what makes this even better. It also helps prevent future dust and grime from sticking as easily. If you made it here, we'll appreciate liking the video. It'll help us do more car tips videos. But wait, this next trick could save your tires. Trick number 12, loosening stuck lug nuts before a tire change. You get a flat on the side of the road, pull out your jack, and the lug nuts won't turn no matter how hard you push. Without the right tools, some drivers end up paying $50 to $100 for roadside tire service just because of stuck nuts. Here's the deal. Rust and road salt bond to the threads over time, creating a grip stronger than you'd expect. Spray WD-40 directly onto each lug nut and let it sit for 5 minutes. Then apply steady pressure with your lug wrench, using your body weight instead, jerking motions. Here's the kicker. Carrying a small, travel-sized WD-40 can in your trunk means you're never caught without this fix during an emergency. You'd be very much surprised by this next myth. Trick number 11. Drying out a flooded engine after driving through deep water. If you've ever driven through a flooded street and your car started sputtering afterward, you know the panic. Water in the wrong places can cause serious electrical problems. Towing and diagnostic fees for a flooded engine can run $200 to $400 just to figure out what's wrong. Here's how it actually works. WD-40 was literally invented as a water displacement formula back in 1953. Spray it onto exposed ignition wires, the distributor cap if your car has one, and any visible electrical connectors under the hood. It pushes moisture out and restores proper electrical contact. Here's what makes this even better. This trick has saved countless drivers from unnecessary tow truck calls after minor flooding. Trust me, this next one will shock you. Trick number 10. Removing bumper stickers without residue. Old political bumper stickers, dealership decals, or parking permits leave that ugly sticky residue that attracts dirt and looks terrible. Scraping it off with a razor blade risks scratching your paint, and repainting a damaged section can cost $200 to $500. Here's the deal. WD-40 breaks down adhesive at the molecular level. Spray it generously over the sticker residue and let it soak for 2 minutes. Then wipe with a microfiber cloth, and everything lifts away clean. Here's the kicker. This works on Windows too, removing old registration stickers without leaving that annoying film behind. Wait until you hear about this next hidden gem. Trick number 9. Quieting a noisy convertible top or sunroof track. If you own a convertible or a car with a sunroof, you've probably heard that grinding or squeaking sound when it opens and closes. Dealership service for track lubrication can cost $60 to $120. Here's how it actually works. The tracks these mechanisms slide on need constant lubrication, and factory grease dries out within a year or two. Spray WD-40 along the visible track edges, then operate the sunroof or top a few times to work it in. The noise disappears almost immediately. Here's what makes this even better. Regular application every 3 months prevents the tracks from wearing down prematurely. Now, for a secret car feature that'll make life easier. Trick number 8. Cleaning brake dust off wheels effortlessly. Brake dust builds up on your wheels fast, especially with certain pad compounds, leaving that grayish-black film that's hard to scrub off. Professional wheel detailing can run $30 to $80 per visit. Here's the deal. Brake dust contains metal particles bonded with heat, making it stubborn against regular soap. Spray WD-40 directly onto the wheel surface and let it sit for a minute. Then rinse with water, and the dust practically slides off. Here's the kicker. This method is gentler than harsh wheel cleaners, which can actually damage certain wheel finishes over time. But wait, if that trick surprised you, this next one will too. Trick number 7. Preventing snow and ice buildup on windshield wipers. Winter mornings mean scraping ice off your windshield, and half the time your wiper blades are frozen stuck to the glass, sometimes tearing the rubber when you pull them free. Replacing torn wiper blades costs $20 to $60 depending on your vehicle. Here's how it actually works. WD-40 repels water, which means less ice forms in the first place. Spray a light coat along the wiper blade edges the night before a snowstorm. In the morning, the blades lift away from the glass with minimal effort. Here's what makes this even better. This also works on your side mirrors, preventing that annoying ice glaze that blocks your visibility. Trust me, this next one will shock you. Trick number 6. Fixing a squeaky trunk or hood hinge. Every time you open your trunk or hood, that loud squeak announces your arrival to the entire neighborhood. While not a major repair issue, ignoring it long enough can lead to hinge corrosion, and replacement hinges cost $40 to $100 per pair. Here's the deal. Dry metal-on-metal contact is the cause, and WD-40 is a lubricant before it's anything else. Spray directly onto the hinge pivot points and open and close the trunk or hood 5 to 10 times to work it in. The squeak vanishes completely. Here's the kicker. This also protects the metal from rust forming at the pivot point, extending the hinge's life significantly. You'd be very much surprised by this next myth. Trick number 5. Restoring grip to worn pedal rubber. Over years of driving, the rubber on your gas and brake pedals gets slick and worn, which is actually a safety concern if your foot slips during hard braking. Pedal pad replacement kits and installation can cost $50 to $150. Here's how it actually works. Most people think WD-40 makes rubber slippery, but used correctly, it does the opposite here. Spray a small amount onto a cloth, then wipe down the pedal to remove built-up grime and oil residue that's actually causing the slickness. Wipe dry afterward, and the original grip texture comes back. Here's what makes this even better. This same method restores grip to worn steering wheel surfaces too. If you made it here, we'll appreciate liking the video. It'll help us do more car tips videos. Now, for a secret car feature that'll make life easier. Trick number 4. Unsticking a car's fuel door or gas cap. You pull up to the pump and your fuel door won't pop open, or the gas cap won't twist off. It happens more than people admit, especially on cars over 5 years old. Dealership fuel door repairs can run $100 to $200, depending on the mechanism. Here's the deal. The release cable or hinge mechanism dries out just like door hinges do. Spray WD-40 into the fuel door hinge and around the cap threads, work the mechanism gently a few times, and it releases smoothly. Here's the kicker. This prevents you from getting stranded at a gas station unable to fill up, which happens more often than you'd expect. But wait, this next trick could save your electrical system. Trick number 3. Protecting spark plug wires from moisture damage. If your car runs rough in wet weather, or after a car wash, moisture might be getting into your spark plug wire connections. Diagnosing and fixing ignition misfires can cost $150 to $400 depending on what's actually wrong. Here's how it actually works. WD-40 displaces water and leaves a thin protective film that repels future moisture. Spray a light coat onto the spark plug wire boots, the rubber parts where the wire connects to the plug. This keeps moisture from creeping in during rain or humid conditions. And here's what makes this even better. Doing this once before winter and once before the rainy season prevents most weather-related misfires entirely. Wait until you hear about this next hidden gem, because we're almost at number 1. Trick number 2. Cleaning and protecting your car's rubber weather seals. Door seals and trunk seals dry out over time, especially in hot climates or after years of sun exposure. Once they crack, wind noise increases, and water leaks become a real problem. Full weather seal replacement across a vehicle can cost $200 to $600. Here's the deal. WD-40 keeps rubber pliable, which prevents the cracking that leads to leaks in the first place. Wipe a light coat onto all door and trunk seals using a cloth, never spraying directly to avoid overspray on paint. This keeps seals soft and properly sealed for years longer. Here's the kicker. This also stops that annoying wind whistle you get at highway speeds once seals start to shrink. And now, the biggest one, the trick that can genuinely save you from a repair bill in the hundreds. Trick number 1. Freeing a stuck thermostat housing bolt without stripping it. This is the trick mechanics use every single day but rarely tell customers about. Thermostat housings are often bolted with small bolts that rust and seize over time, especially on cars over 8 years old. If a mechanic strips or breaks this bolt trying to force it, you're looking at extraction costs and a new housing, easily $300 to $800 depending on the vehicle. Here's how it actually works. WD-40 penetrates rust at a microscopic level, breaking the oxidation bond between the bolt and housing. Spray the bolt generously and let it sit for a full 10 minutes, reapplying once halfway through. Then use slow, steady pressure with the correct size socket. Never force or impact tools first. Here's the kicker that makes this the most valuable trick on this entire list. This exact method prevents the single most common and expensive mistake shops make during routine coolant system work, saving you from paying for someone else's rush job. Which of these 18 WD-40 tricks did you already know? Drop the number in the comments below. And if you want more simple money-saving car tips like these, make sure you subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss one.